In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted records in HubSpot CRM. Whether a crucial contact has been accidentally deleted or an important business record is missing, knowing how to retrieve these lost pieces of information can save the day. So let's dive right in and explore this step-by-step process. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by typing in HubSpot's URL or simply searching for HubSpot in your search engine. Once you are on the homepage, at the top right corner of the screen, you should see the Login button. Click on it to access the login page. Once you are on the login page, enter your credentials to sign into your account. Remember to double check your password and email before logging in, as incorrect details will prevent you from accessing the system. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your HubSpot homepage. Here, you have a glimpse of your CRM and other integrated tools provided by HubSpot to manage your business operations efficiently. Now let's navigate to the crucial part. Click on the CRM option on the dashboard. Doing this takes you to where all the customer relationship activities, data, and transactions happen. After accessing the CRM, the next step is to locate the Contacts section. On your screen, you'll see various options dedicated to your CRM tasks. Select Contacts to view your complete list of stored customer data and other related entries. After you've reached the Contacts page, look toward the top of the list for the Actions drop-down menu. Click on this to unveil a list of further options. This menu is incredibly useful if you need to perform tasks like importing contacts, communicating with your teams, or in this case restoring deleted records. Therefore, the next action to take is crucial. In the Actions drop-down, you'll find the option Restore Records. Go ahead and click on it. You might feel a rush of relief knowing that those previously deleted records are now within your reach. This action takes you to an area where you can see recently deleted records that can still be recovered. Remember, HubSpot generally allows the recovery of deleted items within a certain time frame, often around 90 days from deletion, so it's important to act promptly. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to restore those crucial pieces of information that were removed from your CRM. Always keep in mind that using your CRM efficiently involves understanding the tools and features it offers. Knowing how to tackle challenges like deleted records ensures you maintain smooth, uninterrupted business operations. Make sure you regularly revisit these features so you can manage your data more efficiently. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough makes your HubSpot journey even more seamless.